Good day, everybody. Thank you for joining us here on Atmos Center. I'm meteorologist Patrick Bigby, and here's your headlines for today. We will be quite warm across the area, but that'll be leading into strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow, and also a wet weekend in store. I'll have more about that coming up in just a second. But first of all, starting off looking at Futurecast, you'll notice we do have clouds and a cold front approaching off screen. That'll be the catalyst for sparking off severe weather. A pretty good outbreak over areas of western Tennessee, northern Mississippi, and especially over Arkansas. You'll see these severe thunderstorms starting to set up there right about 11 o'clock. And as we set this into motion, stopping this at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, you'll see a squall line starting to develop from about Huntsville down to Tuscaloosa, Meridian, all the way down to just south and east of the Natchez, Mississippi area. So that squall line will be sliding to the south and east as we go through today, tomorrow, coming into the Mobile area between 1 and 5 o'clock. Our threat of severe weather here in Mobile is not as great as it is towards the Arkansas area because of the dynamics of the storm, the low pressure center moving off towards the north and east over the Great Lakes by the time it'll be the system will be moving through tomorrow. So we're a little bit further removed from the energy that'll be associated with this, but still the threat of severe weather is there, just not as great as it is over towards the Arkansas areas. You can see they are in a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms areas around Memphis, Jonesboro, Arkansas, Little Rock under a moderate risk, while areas from about Huntsville down through Columbus, Starkville, Jackson, Alexandria under a slight risk. And as we go through tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has us under that slight risk, but as you notice, it's kind of stopping it right there from about Auburn, just to the southeast of Montgomery. And here in Mobile, we're right on the edge, like I said. The squall line will be kind of in a unique position. It'll be kind of weakening as it gets here, but I still think the severe weather threat will be valid enough where we could see damaging winds, small hail, and especially heavy rain as those storms move through. So something definitely to consider tomorrow, but for today, things are looking quite nice. Temperatures warming up to 77 by noon with partly sunny skies, and then about 80 for 3 o'clock with partly sunny skies, as you can see there. And then we'll cool down to about 75 as you head home at about 6 o'clock. And if you're heading to the Laidlaw tonight for the USA Jaguar Spring Brass Ensemble, things are looking good. Temperatures warm into the 70s and mild. So things looking good tonight and into tomorrow. As you can see tonight, cooling down only to about 63 degrees, mostly cloudy with an isolated chance of a thunderstorm. Winds will be from the south of 10 to 15. Tomorrow is when those storms move through. Thunderstorms likely. Like I said, some of those strong to severe damaging winds, small hail. Winds will be from the south 10 to 20. Good chance of thunderstorms. And then looking at your next 3 days after we go through tomorrow's severe weather, wet Saturday in store with a 60% chance of rain, with temperatures cooling down to only into the 70s for highs. But take a look as we go into Sunday, into Monday. That'll be our next storm system coming through, and we'll have to watch this one closely. Jesse will have more about that coming up tomorrow, but we could see another severe weather situation Sunday night into Monday as we cool down to 75 for highs on Monday as we start off the school week with temperatures in the low to mid 70s.